Yes, we support the request of Senator Lacson to get more information regarding the lawyer who made representations as lawyering for the Darganis. It would be interesting to note because he is lawyering for individuals who are who have been or allegedly been involved in criminal action or criminal acts. And if there is a conflict, then you have a lawyer also committing criminal acts to defend those who are accused of criminal acts. So talagang we'd like to know if there is in fact a violation of the code as mentioned by Senator Lacson. Thank you for the opportunity to make this manifestation.
Thank you.
Mr.
Senator Antiveros?
Thank you.